Look! This is the new Asian-inspired broth bowl from Panera Bread. That noise! Panera broth bowls should be slurped with gusto. To explore further, order online or visit your neighborhood Panera Bread.
All paid for, all yours.
All yours.
Oh, beautiful.
We got her.
I told you we'd get you a car. Now you can, whatever you was gonna do with that Saturday, keep the money, all right? So you want to hear a funny story since you're here? You remember when your oldest grandson asked you to see your driver's license to see if it was new?
No.
Yeah, you got no driver's license?
Yeah.
He snapped a picture of it so I could get you this car.